Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Capital One's credit score tracker. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is log into your accounts. So you can just log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the credit score tracker button. That's going to help you to access the credit score tracker portal. Now once you're there, you can review your current credit score as well as your credit report. And you can use the credit score tracker to track changes to your credit score over time. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Capital One's credit score tracker. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.